Beyond uptime, why these hosting companies made our list of bests. Choosing the best web hosting company for your business, a comprehensive guide. In the digital age, having a strong online presence is paramount for businesses of all sizes. To establish and maintain a website that's reliable, secure, and fast, you need to partner with the right web hosting company. With a plethora of options available, making the right choice is crucial. In this guide, we'll take you through the process of selecting the best web hosting company for your specific needs, including a look at the top 3 web hosting providers in the market. Why web hosting matters. Web hosting is the foundation of your online presence. The performance, security, and reliability of your hosting provider can make or break your website's success. So, what factors should you consider when choosing a web hosting company? Let's delve into the key aspects. 1. Types of web hosting. There are various types of web hosting, including shared, VPS, dedicated, and cloud hosting. Each has its own advantages and limitations. Consider the size and requirements of your website to choose the most suitable type. 2. Uptime and reliability. Your hosting provider's uptime guarantees are crucial. Look for companies that offer at least 99.9% uptime. Downtime can be costly in terms of lost customers and revenue. 3. Speed and performance. Website loading speed affects user experience and search engine rankings. Opt for a hosting company with fast servers and robust infrastructure. 4. Security features. Ensure your hosting provider offers security features such as SSL certificates, DDoS protection, and regular backups to safeguard your website from threats. 5. Scalability. Choose a web hosting company that can accommodate your website's growth. Scalability is essential for long-term success. 6. Customer support. Responsive and knowledgeable customer support is invaluable when you face technical issues. 24/7 support is a significant advantage. 7. Pricing and value. Compare hosting plans and pricing to find the best fit for your budget. Keep in mind that the cheapest option might not always be the most reliable. 8. User reviews and reputation. Research online reviews and testimonials to get a sense of a hosting company's reputation and customer satisfaction. 9. Additional services. Consider whether the hosting provider offers extra services like domain registration, website builders, or email hosting. 10. Data center locations. Having data centers in multiple locations can improve the website's loading speed for visitors in different regions. Top 3 web hosting providers. Let's take a closer look at the top 3 web hosting providers in the market, known for their performance, reliability, and customer support. A. Bluehost. Bluehost is a popular choice for both beginners and experienced website owners. They offer a range of hosting options, 24/7 customer support, and a reputation for speed and reliability. Bluehost is also officially recommended by WordPress. Greater than go to Bluehost less than. B. SiteGround. SiteGround is renowned for its excellent customer support and cutting-edge technology. They offer fast hosting solutions, excellent security features, and an easy-to-use interface, making it an ideal choice for businesses of all sizes. Greater than go to SiteGround less than. C. HostGator. HostGator is a well-established hosting provider with a reputation for reliability and a wide range of hosting options. They offer budget-friendly plans, strong customer support, and user-friendly website building tools. Greater than go to HostGator less than. Conclusion. Choosing the right web hosting company is a critical decision for your online business. It directly impacts your website's performance, security, and overall success. By considering factors like hosting type, uptime, speed, security, scalability, customer support, pricing, and more, you can make an informed decision. Investing time in researching and selecting the right web hosting company can lead to a significant boost in your online presence and, ultimately, your business success. Remember, the best web hosting company for you is the one that aligns with your specific needs and long-term goals. In this highly competitive digital landscape, making the right hosting choice is a crucial step towards building a strong and reliable online presence. So, take your time, do your research, and make an informed decision. Your website and business will thank you for it.